Hey guys, I hope you are all having a lovely weekend. It is still super hot in Florida, of course. So I waited till nighttime to film, hoping I would sweat less, but still got that glow going on, so can't help it. Sorry guys. But today I am super excited. I have a new, God, I almost said new handbag, but I guess I do. I have a new subscription box to open today. For this channel. I have received it once before in the past, but that was before I started YouTube. So this is the Bolzano handbag subscription, and I believe it's called the Bolzano Handbag and Accessory subscription box now. So it's new, and this is a fall and winter sneak peek box, so I'm super excited. I have not opened it. I have no idea what's inside. But this is a handbag subscription like the name suggests. I just looked up the price to double check. And right now it is $33.95, and the company also gave me a code to share with you guys, so you get a free gift. I don't get anything through this link, so this is just all for you guys. You get a free $45 gift if you subscribe to this box. So I'll leave the link below and the code and everything and how to do it below. And I am gonna get on bagging. So they say that you receive one purse and 2 to 3 accessories every month, valued up to $250. So that is a crazy value. So I'm just ripping this open right now. Oh, how cute! Look at this. There's a little bow. It says, oh yeah, it even says on here, the fall and winter sneak peek. So I know they said they just revamped their packaging, so this must be the new packaging and the sneak peek of it. So this is super adorable right off the bat. I love the bow, and I love that it comes in a bag that I'm sure you can reuse if you want. Oh yeah, look at it. It's like a tote bag. I didn't even realize that at first. Super smart. I love it. You can reuse it, totally economical. I love the bow. So I see what's in here, and it is so fucking cute, you guys. Oh, I just swore, sorry. Look at this bag. This is better than what I could have expected. Look at this. It is purple, like a plum color. This is exactly what I want. Oh my god. And look, there's 2 little things attached to it. I'm blown away by this. I honestly, it's not like I had bad expectations or anything, but I just like, I'm not like a huge handbag person. I like it more like sleek and simple, and this captured my style, and I didn't even tell them. So if you guys subscribe, when you sign up, you fill out a survey giving them like your interest, what style you like, and everything like that. I didn't do that this time, so they just hit it on the nail, like, I don't know. So let's see, I'm gonna open the things on top of it, and then I'll show you the inside of the purse, because they're kind of connected. I'm so happy with this, you guys. I love the color, perfect for fall. I love the style of bag. Oh, I'm opening the little box that was on top, this one. It looks like this is like a scarf or something. It feels so soft. Oh yeah, this will be, yes it is. It says Paris on it. But I love scarves like this to tie onto your handbag. So this is a little bit more colorful. I like the end of it, like the pink and purple, more than the Paris on it, but I still like the print. But yeah, you can like tie this onto the bag handle. Yay. It's Saturday night right now and I'm filming this. I'm just filming it like 12 hours before this is going up, but you know. So you can do something like that, maybe make it a cuter bow. But it feels so soft. Like really good quality. It's huge. Awesome. What else is in here? I think that it's like jewelry. Okay, got it up. I could be wrong, but it seems like a jewelry. Ooh, it is jewelry. It's like a little wristband. It's purple too. I love purple. I have a hair tie. I had my hair up a little bit ago because I am hot. I'm putting this on, and there's 2 different little clips or clasps or whatever, so if you can fix it to your size. I like this. This is something I wear like on the weekend or something, you know. Super cute. Okay, so now on to the bag. Let's see. So there is a little Why am I not being able to speak right now? But there's a little pocket in the back. Oh, and they pack it really well. So there's some packing paper in here. Paper, bubble, or whatever it is. I can't talk ever. I'm so excited. Oh, it looks like there's another strap in here. So if you wanted to make it long, I like it like this. I can't get over this. And it does say Bolzano on the front there, you can kind of see. So it's like the size of my head to give you a, like, you know, some gauge of it. But yeah, then it comes with this little cutely wrapped so a longer strap if you want. And it looks like the strap's a little bit adjustable too. And inside there's 2 compartments. Can you see that? I don't know, but there's like a little thing here. So there's one side, there's another inner pocket here with a zipper, and then there's 2 little compartments right here so you can put like your phone and whatever, like lipstick over there. So you can fit a lot in here. And the top is zippered. I am so happy with this. This is definitely worth $33 to me. You get the scarf. The bag is like, seriously, like it feels good quality. It looks like it is, and I'm not just saying this because they sent it to me. Like, I honestly love this. I'm so happy. Like, I'm wearing like burgundy and this is plum purple, but I might still wear it out tonight because I love it. It's so cute. It's seriously my style. $33.95 or yeah, that's what it is. For this and 2 accessories, I think this is totally a great value. I wonder what the free gift will be like. That must be something awesome. It's worth more than the subscription. So this is monthly. I don't know if I mentioned that before, but I give this an A+. Like, I needed a new bag, and this is so cute. I can't say enough about it. I am super happy. So thank you, Bolzano Handbags, for sending this to me. And I will leave all the links below. And also, I want to remind you guys, I have a giveaway going on. I'll put the giveaway video link below. It is a makeup giveaway, so it's not a bag. I am keeping this, baby. This is mine. But yeah, check it out. And I hope you guys, again, are having a great weekend, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.